Stop scrolling. If you travel at all, you need this in your bag like yesterday. I'm not playing games this season. I'm not trying to get sick on a plane, in an Uber, at grandma's house, none of it. These little immunity sticks are literally the only thing keeping me alive while everyone around me is coughing. A powerhouse combo of superfoods, electrolytes, vitamins, and it mixes in any bottle. I just throw them in my bag and go. No excuses, no giant tubs, no nasty syrup shots, no chugging 5 different pills. Just boom, immunity. If you're traveling at all this month, get these right now, like before your next flight. Link in bio. Go.